Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today's video is sponsored by Insta360. They got the brand new 1x2 camera. This is a 360 camera, waterproof, and shoots 5K resolution. So you're gonna be getting all them crispy shots. It's really cool because it has a 360 view, so you can set it up anywhere and get all the angles you need. And it's waterproof, like I was saying, so this is the ultimate adventure camera to bring with you. It's flipping cool. But let's get into this video. Shout out Insta360 for sponsoring it. It's a crazy video, so buckle your seatbelts and let's get it. But this ride out is from New York, and it was a pedal bike ride out. But as you'll see, I'm on my Supermoto on this ride. So I'm on a pedal bike ride out, but I'm on my Supermoto. We're in New York City, downtown. Like, things got... It was such a fun ride, but it was just, it's crazy to see like the New York lifestyle and like sort of the way they like act. They give no, like, they just do whatever they want to do, which is pretty insane. Some of the things I'm like, but it is what it is. I wanted to go on this ride out to see like what the pedal bike ride outs in New York are like, because I heard stories like, yo, these pedal bike rides in New York are crazy. It's like, I gotta go, I gotta check one out. So this is a footy from a pedal bike ride out in New York City. I'm on my Supermoto, so yeah. Just a normal, huh? You recording? Yeah, say something.
What's up, MotoBroo community?
Yeah, let's get it.
Subscribe to me. Yeah,
hey, you know the vibes. Let's go. What's good, bro?
Yeah, busy traffic?
Yeah, a little bit. It's a heavy bike.
Yeah.
We're lit. I don't want to get stuck in Times Square, bro. Oh my gosh, she's going crazy. I guess we're just gonna meet him around because, bro, it's so hot over there. As you've seen, like, let's go! Woo! Woo! Swerve. Oh my god, bro, right in front of me, dude. Bro, why does that always happen right in front of your boy? Every time. Crazy, bro. Every time in front of your boy. Oh my god. So, oh, the same guy, bro. Oh my god. Woo! Flexing it. Bro, you gotta be looking out 24/7, because even more than like a real motorcycle ride out, they stop so quick. Yes sir, we lit. Let's go. Holy moly, dude. Madness. Hey, let's go. Some electric bike wheelies. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's what we're talking about. Scooter bike life. It's out here. Yes, sir. Let's go! Yeah, get to work! Hey! Yes, sir! Woo! Some work on that scooter, that's what we like to see. Hey, yes sir! Hey, good shit. old Washington Square. Then we're just going through it. Bro, what? This is wild. It's the wildness, bro. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Ah! What the hell? Crazy! I'm on the KX100 in front of me, just vibing out. Oh, this is crazy. Let's go, a little two-stroke vibes. Let's go. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. Oh, boy. Let's go. That was crazy. He went right between them. Ah, it's crazy, bro. We're in the pedal bike pack, just vibing out, bro. Woo, lottie dottie going crazy. Yeah, sorry about the dark footy. I know it's not the best, but I was like, bro, I gotta show you guys like this stuff because it's just gnarly, bro. Like, what city's doing it like this? We're in New York. So I've been using this Insta360 camera a ton. As you guys know, sometimes I be riding, you know, solo dolo, and I want to get angles, but it's hard to get angles without having a 360 camera. When you just have one view, you really can't see everything you want to see, especially with adventures and motorcycle things that I do. This thing is perfect. I can literally get all the angles as you see right now. I can, you know, I can flip to the front, flip to the back, like it doesn't matter. The app is so easy to use. I was a little scared. I was like, bro, this app is, you know, it's gonna be hard to use, but that is not the case at all. It is very friendly, and it's just a really cool camera to have. Like, you can bring it to the beach with you. It's waterproof. You don't really have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about the angles either, which is so cool because it shoots 360. So literally in the app, you can control where you want the camera. You can set points if you want it to go from forward to backwards. And also, it has cool accessories. There's so many accessories you can put on this camera that will attach to your bike. This is like a little tripod accessory. There's so many things and so many different attachments, which is amazing because you can literally put this thing anywhere you want it, and it's gonna capture everything that you want it to do. I'm gonna put a link down below if you want to check out the Insta360 1X2. This thing is a dope camera, so hit that link down below if you want to check it out. Shout out Insta360 for sponsoring this video. We lit.